Alright, so right now I'm just burning off the paint. Not burning off the paint, but any oils or anything that might be in there to contaminate the food. I'm using these briquettes. So I'm going to let her go for about, I don't know, until they burn out. Once the fire dies down, I'll close it up and let it smoke for a while. So that's the first step. And maybe later on this week, we'll cook some meat. One thing at a time. All right, so today's the day. Okay, you saw the fire I did with the to burn it out, and I do not recommend that because it left a lot of soot. So make sure the flames are out before you put in the top if you're going to do this. But I found a lot of soot all over the place, so I know that's usually a combustion problem, which is lack of oxygen. So what I'm going to do now is I've got my coals heating up. They're almost there. Won't take too long. I'll be putting these coals into the center of this thing. And I left a little space here in the center so that there's room for the coals. I'm going to let it burn out for a while until it gets pretty hot and there's no flames, and that's when I'll put the top back on, and then we'll go from there. I've got the bowl in here with foil. It's about 3/4 full, which is not quite 1 gallon of water. It's supposed to keep the heat down, and so that's where we're at. So let's wait till I'm ready to put the coals in, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to dump these coals in here. There we go. And we'll take it from there. Alright, well, it took over an hour to get the temperature down under 300. Right now it's 275. I don't know if that's still too hot. Again, this is my first time, so it's between 250 and 300. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If it goes over 300, which I hope it does not, I'll start closing some vents a little bit. Alright, so far so good. I've got this half open on this side and half open on this side. So, and it's stable around 280, 290 or 285, and we're smoking. Alright, well, this is it. Take the tri-tip out.
Oh, it looks bloody in the middle, so.
They say to wrap it in meat, wrap it in foil. See what happens. And we'll go give it a taste. Here we go. We're getting ready to slice it.
Okay, let's turn it this. Let's do the big end. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay.
Here you go. Don't hurt yourself. Not too bad. It's still pink and dead center.
Good?
That is good. Yeah, see, a little pink in the center. That is perfect. You can really taste it. Alright, well, that's it. You saw with your own eyes, we did it. Cooked to perfection. Could have been a little more rare, I think, maybe. I don't know. No. Maybe not.
No, I don't think so.
Oh no, this is good. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And see you next time.